If you're wondering how to access travel itineraries in Navan, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how you can easily navigate the platform to access your travel plans. By the end, you'll understand the steps to quickly and efficiently view all the details you need. Navan is a powerful software designed for both business and personal travelers. Whether you're managing a corporate account or planning a family vacation, this tool streamlines the process. One of its standout features is how simple it is to access your travel itineraries. But here's the kicker. You can use Navan completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses for new users. When you first log into Navan, the main dashboard is where everything begins. From here, you can click on My Trips to instantly view all your upcoming travel plans. This section houses all your itineraries in one place, neatly organized by date, destination, and status. You don't need to worry about hunting through emails or fragmented documents. Navan brings it all together with ease. Each itinerary displays not just the flight details, but also hotel bookings, car rentals, and any additional services you've arranged. You can also access live updates if there are any changes to your travel plans. For corporate accounts, it's especially handy for monitoring multiple employees' travel arrangements at once. But what if you want to do more than just view your itinerary? Navan also allows you to make changes directly within the app. Want to reschedule a flight or book a last-minute hotel? It's as simple as a few clicks, saving you time and effort. This level of control is especially useful for busy travelers who need everything to run smoothly. If you're wondering how this compares to other platforms, Navan's integration with real-time data sources gives it a significant advantage. Unlike traditional systems that may require manual updates or external tools, Navan pulls in live information to keep you up to date, so you're always in the know about your travels. Another feature worth mentioning is how customizable your itinerary view can be. You can filter by trip type, dates, or status, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's an individual trip or multiple ones at once. For people managing business travel, these filters help keep everything organized without wasting time scrolling through endless options. What makes Navan particularly appealing is its mobile app, so you can take your itinerary on the go. The app syncs seamlessly with your desktop version, so any changes made on one platform will reflect on the other. Whether you're at home or at the airport, accessing your travel itinerary is just a tap away. Finally, I want to remind you that the best part about using Navan right now is that you can access it for free. By using the first link in the description below, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. If you've ever struggled to keep your travel plans in one place, this tool is a game changer. To wrap up, if you're new to Navan and want to make your travel experience smoother, accessing travel itineraries in Navan is the perfect place to start. It's simple, fast, and allows you to take full control over your travel plans. Don't forget to use the link in the description for your exclusive offer and start enjoying your travel itinerary management today.